Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have a highly anticipated video for you guys today. Now, a couple weeks ago, we did a video where we tested this stuff. This is House of Color Black Candy Concentrate, and this stuff is wild. We actually showed you the black candy concentrate over a variety of different base colors, and then wanted you to tell us what base color you wanted us to take full scale on a whole car. And the results are in. You guys overwhelmingly want to see the carbon red on a whole car with the black candy concentrate on top. That's exactly what we're doing today. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. Now, going into this, to be honest, I was a little surprised that you guys wanted the carbon red as the base color for the black candy. I thought maybe you would lean towards the sterling silver or the carbon blue because we had already done the House of Color candy apple red a couple months ago. And I thought maybe the candy apple red and the carbon red with the black would be a little too similar. And they're not even close. This car looks so badass and so different than the candy apple red. You guys were right on point with what you thought was gonna look awesome. We're gonna go outside right now and check it out. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. I'll see you on the next video. and the results are in. You guys overwhelmingly want to see carbon red as the base. I was kind of expecting you guys to pick the sterling silver or the blue because we already did the House of Color candy apple candy. Candy apple candy, how many? Because we already did the candy apple red House of Color a couple months ago. I was surprised you didn't choose the sterling silver or the carbon what?